Today we are going to do water transferring with a cupcake tin. Okay? So first you're going to need a cupcake tin. You can use like a mini cupcake tin or a regular one like I have. The point is you just need lots of slots. If you don't have a cupcake tin, you could also use an ice cube rack, and because it has slots in it too. So, and then you're going to need a bowl of water. Put the bowl of water on your left side and your cupcake tin right in front of you. Good job. All right. Then you're going to need a tool to use to get the water from each spot. So you can use a syringe if you have it, maybe from like medicine that your kids might have, parents. And then you could also use a eyedropper, or you could use a baster. My cupcake tin is pretty big, so I'm going to use a big baster. Okay, so you're going to stick the end of the baster in the water, squeeze, and let go, and the water comes right up. And then you're going to squeeze it out into one of the spots. And you're going to keep transferring all the water into each spot. See if you can get the same amount of water in each spot. See if you can do it so carefully that you don't spill any of the water. You can, so careful. Oh, there's my doggy. This is Smudgy. Oh, can you say hi, Smudgy? Oh, yes, he's a good puppy. Yes. He's not really supposed to come up here when he's not invited, but his mommy isn't here right now, so he's fretting. Put water in each spot. Oops, I spilled a little bit. Need to be more careful. Do you see the bubbles that the baster makes? And you squeeze, that's pushing all the air out, and then the bubbles come up in the water. And then you squeeze out the water. See if we can put enough. I think I'm going to have enough to get in each one. There we go. I got it in each one. Oh, I had extra water, which is good, in case I spilled some. Now you have to get all the water out of the cupcake tin back into the bowl. So you put it in my, I'm going to put the baster in my first spot. Squeeze and let go. Oh. And put the water back in. Ooh, makes a funny noise. See if you can get all the water. Ooh, it's hard. Ooh, it's hard to get all that water out. There we go. Wow. That takes a long time to get through all those. All right, and that's transferring water. So now I'm going to take my baster and my bowl of water and my muffin tin, and I'm going to go clean them up and make sure there's no water on the table. And that's water transferring. Oops, the baster's broken. That's water transferring with a cupcake tin. Thanks, friends, for joining me today.